1, 2, 3, let's go!
Welcome, my name is Maricela and today I will be teaching you how to do your eyeliner plus how to apply false lashes. We will be using only 3 things today. It's very simple. We're going to be using our lashes. These lashes are from AliExpress. I really like these lashes because they are like wispy lashes, very natural looking, and they're perfect beginner lashes, which I really love, and they're classic. I never get tired of wearing them. We will be using our liquid Anastasia eyeliner that I purchased at Sephora. And then, of course, our dual lash glue. I usually use the one that is clear and comes with a little brush. And then last but not least, very important, your eyelash curler. And we're also going to be using mascara. It can be any mascara, guys. Alrighty, guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so my makeup is already done. I have everything on except for the liner and the lashes. So let me show you how I quickly do that. So we're gonna grab our eyeliner and I'm gonna try to show you guys at an angle where you guys can see and I can do it. So what I like to do is I like to draw a line going down this way and I arch it all the way to the back. And then I meet the tip and I pull it further back. Just keep pulling it until you bring it back. And then it's really simple after that. It's straightforward. You just fill in the lines and connect it. And then you just kind of fill it out. And you always bring it back. So, do you see what I'm doing? You bring it back. So it's going to look like this. And then I like to just, you know, fill it in on the top. And then I'm going to do something that I really like doing when I do this is I kind of close my lid and I try to get the eyeliner all the way on the bottom. So what I mean by that is like literally by your lash line is where you want to get the eyeliner. And the look that I have is pretty dramatic, I'm not gonna lie. This is my daily eye look, my signature look, which means like if I had to pick something, it'd be eyeliner and lashes and I'd be set. It looks like this so far. And then what I like to do is bring it out even more. So you're gonna extend it all the way to the front. So you see that? It gives it like a little cat eye look. And I really like it because I feel like it makes my eye look a little bit bigger. So, and then we're just connecting it. Connecting. And then, yeah, this is what one eye looks like. Okay, one side is done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. It's pretty much the same thing, so they don't have to be even, by the way. I feel like once you put on your lash, it kind of makes it look like super even. So let me just do this side real quick. Okay, so this is what the eyeliner looks like when they're both done. Like I said, they're probably not like symmetrical, you know what I mean? They're not the same, but it's fine because we're gonna put on lashes, and once you put on lashes, it kind of looks even. So trust me with that. Like I have done eyeliner before where it's like super uneven, and then I put on lashes and it's like boom, fixed. But anyways, let's move on to the lashes. So we're grabbing our little wispy lashes. And you're just gonna be super careful when you're pulling this out. So you take one and then you take the other one and just, you want to be really gentle because sometimes I'll just yank these out and I kid you not, I'll rip them. Now we grab our dual lash glue and it's this one with the wand, and we're just gonna apply the lash glue to the lash band. And this is a pretty straightforward step. Just apply it everywhere. Okay, cool. And we're gonna wait for that to dry off. And then I'm gonna teach you guys a little tip and trick that I learned that I do normally now, just because I feel like I need that extra like hold on my lashes. Like sometimes I'll put on lashes and I kid you not, they're good for the first hour or so, and then once I'm like going about my day, like it's coming off from this corner or like the outer corner, and that's like really annoying. I always carry lash glue around me, but it's just like to put it back, especially when you're at an event or when you're out, it's not cute. So I'm going to show you a little trick that I do. So you're gonna close your eyelid, and then you're gonna add literally like a dot of glue on your eyelid. So you see how I did it, like where the wing is? You're gonna do it just at the corner, and then you're gonna do it at the front too. So just trace it. So now I have it here and there. And then you're going to do the same thing for literally the left side, guys. So we'll do it at the corner and then at the other corner. Cool. And now we're just gonna wait for that to dry. Normally this dries quicker than the lashes. So now that the glue is pretty much non-existent and it's all dry, we're gonna, you know, get close, and I'm gonna grab my mirror so I can show you guys how I put this on. So you just kind of close your lid, and then you can do this with a tweezer, but I wouldn't recommend it because I feel like it's harder with the tweezer. I literally just do it with my finger, and can you guys see? Okay. And I just apply above, and it pretty much just falls straight on top. You see that? It's just like fell really nicely. I feel it's because I put the lash glue in the corner and in the inner corner too, so that helps a lot. Trust, like I wouldn't do that before, and I would struggle to put on my lashes. After so many years of putting on lashes, I still struggle sometimes if it wasn't for that trick. All right, now I'm gonna do the same thing at the end, and then okay, ta-da, lashes have been applied. Look at how pretty it looks. Okay, so now here comes the fun part. We're gonna curl these little wispy lashes. When you curl these lashes, you're gonna wanna be really careful, just because if you curl them too rough, they're gonna come right off, and that's a mistake that I always make, so just be very gentle. We're gonna try to get the whole lash in there. I know that could be a little hard, but just try your best, and then we just curl it with the lightest motion, and then boom. Do you see that? See the difference? And then we're gonna go ahead. You see that? You see the difference? Like one is a little bit more perkier, a little bit more awake. The other one needs a little bit of help. So let's do the other one. All right, so just curl it really lightly. Try to get everything in there. I know it might be hard. And then curl. Okay, cool. Now the lashes are curled. Look at how pretty they look. Okay, next step and final step, and this is completely optional. You don't have to do this. I don't always do this, but when I do like how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara on my lashes. You're gonna apply like very light mascara or as thick as you want, it doesn't matter, but just know that if you apply a lot, it's gonna look very dramatic, which is not bad. But yeah, let's apply mascara. Okay, I'm so excited about this just because I really like this mascara. It has like a very fat like wand, like very thick wand. So let's do it. All right, we're just gonna lightly, there we go. And then press it a little bit more down. And then we're gonna do the other one. Oh, see, mascara got in my hair. And then it just makes it so much. And then don't forget the inner corners too. It's like really important. And then yeah, that is the final look, and yeah, that is how you apply lashes and eyeliner. This is how I do it. Of course, everybody does it different, but I find the tips and tricks that I included for you guys will really help you out with putting on, you know, your lashes and eyeliner, especially if you guys are beginners and you guys don't normally do this. I would say that this technique does help a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Put a thumbs up if you thought this video was helpful, and subscribe if you can. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.